Dreaming big isn't just about getting what you want, it's about the person you become along the way. The process of chasing a big dream will help you develop resilience, creativity, and strength. It will push you to overcome obstacles and stretch your limits. You may not always get exactly what you dream of, but you'll get much further than if you played it safe. We all have dreams, whether it's about having a successful career, traveling the world, or making a difference in the lives of others. But sometimes our dreams feel too big, too far away, or even impossible. The truth is, dreaming big is one of the most powerful things you can do to shape your future. When you aim for something big, you're not just thinking about what you want, you're setting the stage for action, growth, and success. Dreaming big helps you see beyond your current limitations. It pushes you to think about possibilities you may not have considered before. The bigger your dream, the bigger the motivation to work toward it. When you challenge yourself with a bold vision, you're more likely to make bold moves. It's like setting a goal that excites and energizes you, instead of just something you feel you should do. Think about the people you admire, whether it's a famous entrepreneur, athlete, or artist. Most of them didn't start with easy goals. They dreamed big and worked relentlessly toward their vision. Elon Musk didn't just dream of building electric cars. He dreamed of transforming the entire auto industry. Oprah Winfrey didn't just dream of being on TV. She dreamed of owning her own network and using her platform to inspire millions. Big dreams push people to go further than they ever thought possible. One of the reasons many people don't dream big is because of fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, or fear of the unknown can hold us back from setting high goals. But here's the thing, fear is normal. Everyone feels it, but it's important not to let fear stop you. When you dream big, you might not know exactly how to achieve it right away, and that's okay. You don't need to have all the answers. What's important is having the courage to take the first step, even if you're scared. Every successful person has faced moments of doubt, but what sets them apart is that they didn't let fear stop them from dreaming and acting on those dreams. When you dream big, you open the door to a world of endless potential. It's a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and even the impossible becomes a challenge waiting to be conquered. Dreaming big is more than just a wish. It's a call to action, urging you to push beyond your limits and reach for the stars. To make your dreams come true, you must actively engage with your vision. Pursuing big dreams isn't easy, and you'll face obstacles along the way. But don't worry, every challenge is a chance to grow and learn more about yourself. As you push through these obstacles, you'll uncover new strengths and discover the amazing person you are becoming. So, even though the path to your dream might be difficult, it's full of opportunities for growth. Get ready to explore the uncharted territories of your mind and turn your dreams into reality. Imagine stepping onto a grand stage. This stage is surrounded by a world of endless possibilities. Everywhere you look, there's vibrant creativity and new ideas, colors, shapes, and visions unlike anything you've ever seen before. In this world, you're not just a spectator, you are the star of the show. You can explore, create, and do anything you can dream of. Whether you want to fly, paint, or go on an adventure with magical creatures, it's all possible here. This is your world, where every idea can come to life. As you dive deeper into this colorful world, embracing your imagination is the key to unlocking your true potential. Your mind is like a vast, lush garden filled with endless possibilities. Each thought you have is a seed that can grow into something amazing. To truly embrace your imagination, you need to use it with purpose. It's not enough just to have random ideas. You have to give your ideas shape and focus. Start by practicing visualization. Close your eyes and picture your dreams becoming real. At first, it might seem unclear or fuzzy, but the more you practice, the clearer it will become. Be patient and take your time. There are no rules to follow. Just let your imagination run wild. Next, feed your imagination with new experiences. Read books, watch movies, listen to music, visit art galleries, or just take a walk in nature. Every new experience adds richness to your mind. Also, don't forget the power of daydreaming. While it might seem like a waste of time, daydreaming actually helps your imagination grow. It's a place where your mind can wander freely and think, what if? Embrace this and let your ideas flow. Now that your imagination is free to roam, it's time to dive into discovering your big dreams. The path to achieving your dreams won't always be easy. It's more like a winding road with unexpected twists, turns, and obstacles. But don't let these challenges stop you. Instead, think of them as opportunities to grow. Each obstacle helps you learn more about yourself, and with every challenge you overcome, you get closer to your dream. Remember, the journey itself is part of the reward. Keep pushing forward and believe in yourself. The road may not always be straight, but every step will bring you closer to turning your dreams into reality. Dreaming big is all about stepping outside your comfort zone and exploring what truly excites you. It's about tapping into your creative energy and using it to shape the life you've always wanted. Let go of any worries about being judged and just have fun with the process. Creativity thrives when you give it room to grow. Once you've unlocked your creative side, it's time to dive into the world of endless possibilities. Ask yourself, what if? What if you wrote that book you've always wanted to write? What if you started your own business? What if you traveled the world? These what-if questions don't need to have answers right now. They're about stretching your imagination and allowing yourself to dream beyond what seems possible at the moment. When you stay open to new experiences and keep dreaming big, you might find yourself on an adventure you never expected. The possibilities are endless when you allow yourself to dream without restrictions. Don't settle for vague hopes. Be specific. Do you want to travel the world? Start your own business? Write a book? Get in touch with the deepest desires of your heart. Take a moment to write them down. Don't worry about whether they seem too big or impossible. Your dreams are meant to inspire you to take action. The clearer you are about your goals, the easier it will be to make them happen. Defining your big dreams is like drawing a roadmap to your future, showing you where you want to go and how to get there. Having a clear vision is more than just imagining the final result. It's about understanding the whole journey, the steps you'll take to reach your dream. Think of your vision as a map that shows you where to go. Start by picturing your dream in as much detail as possible. What does it look like? How do you feel when you achieve it? Now think about the small steps you'll need to take to make it happen. If your dream is to become an artist, for example, your vision might include things like taking art classes, practicing regularly, and building a portfolio. Each small goal helps you get closer to your big dream. Dreaming big isn't just about wishing for something, it's about actively working toward it. Once you know your big dream, visualize it clearly and create a plan for how to reach it. Break it down into smaller steps, be ready for obstacles, and keep your vision in sight. With time, effort, and focus, you'll be able to turn your big dreams into reality. So, don't be afraid to dream big. Start by imagining what makes you happy. Take small steps every day and keep your vision alive. The more you work toward your dream, the closer you'll get to making it come true. Thanks for listening.